Hello, I'm Chris from Faradite. We're an accessories manufacturer based just outside London in Woking. And today we're to talk to you about our volt-free motion sensor, which is one of our most popular products. It's designed for use with Lutron, Crestron, Control4, or any system that has a dry contact input module. It's super flush, 100% silence. Gets installed in a 35mm hole in the ceiling and is super easy to install with either Cat 6, Cat 7 or Belton cable if you're doing a Lutron installation. If you need any more information, you can head to our website, which is www.faradite.com, where you can find more product information, data sheets, and links to our social media pages, in particular Instagram. Thanks.